Hello, my favorite foodies. Today we're going to be making Pollo Mexicano or Mexican chicken. Let's get started. All right, let's start with some black pepper, some granulated onion, and some ground cumin, and some granulated garlic. All right, we just want to give it a good stir, make sure all the spices are on the chicken. Then you want to go ahead and add some water. Now let's add some tomato sauce. I had some extra tomato sauce already in Tupperware, so I'm using that. Now I'm going to go ahead and re-season with the granulated garlic, cumin, and granulated onion. And some more black pepper. Now time to add the mushrooms. You can add fresh mushrooms as well. Now it's time to add the bell pepper. Now give it a good mix and let it boil on medium to high heat for about 20 minutes. Okay, once your chicken is done cooking, it is ready to enjoy. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more delicious recipes like this one, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell to be notified for the new ones that come out. Happy eats, everyone. The full recipe is in the description box down below.